When you are in the market to buy an engagement ring, the options are abundant, from websites like BlueNile.com and Kay.com, to local engagement ring stores and national chains like Tiffany's.
When you are trying to sell an engagement ring, it is a little more complicated. Here is a list of things you should know about the ring you are looking to sell.
One of the most important things you can do when looking to resell an engagement ring is to educate yourself about the type of ring and diamond that you have. Knowing the cut, color and clarity of the stone are going to help you a great deal when interacting with potential buyers. It is absolutely imperative that you know the carat weight of the main stone and the engagement ring, as well as the weight of any smaller diamonds.
It is great help to know the exact composition of the metal, and the weight of the metal. You might also want to take note of the style. It is crucial to know the certification number of the diamonds. Search around or make a trip to the safe deposit box, because no matter who you decide to resell your engagement ring to, this information will make your transaction much smoother and faster. To make your experience selling your ring more enjoyable, here are some other tips.
Be sure to clean your ring. It might sound obvious, but a clean ring is a happy ring, and a clean ring photographs better. So we recommend that you send us a picture of your ring after you clean it.
Be particular about who you deal with. At Engagement Ring Cycling, we pride ourselves on our customer service, and you should have a pleasant experience when you sell us your ring. If you feel uncomfortable with the party you are reselling your ring to, don't go through with the transaction.
Temper your expectations about the price you expect for your ring. We like to tell people to expect about 50% of the current market value of their ring. Oftentimes it is more than that, but we don't want people to expect to get 100% of the value for the ring when they are reselling it.
If you have any other questions about selling your engagement ring, please visit us at www.engagementringcycling.com.